Welcome to our video on professionally installed wireless versus wired security cameras. In this video, we'll explain the differences between the two and help you decide which one is right for you. Wireless security cameras are a popular choice for those who want an easy-to-install and flexible option. They can be placed anywhere without the need for wires, making them ideal for renters or those who don't want to drill holes in their walls. They also come with features like motion detection and remote access. However, wired security cameras have their own set of advantages. They are known for their reliability and durability, making them a great option for those who want a long-term solution. They also offer better image quality and are less susceptible to interference. When it comes to professional installation, there are several advantages. First, professionals have the expertise to ensure that the cameras are installed correctly and in the best locations. They can also customize the installation to meet your specific needs. Additionally, professional installation can save you time and hassle. In summary, wireless security cameras are a great option for those who want an easy-to-install and flexible solution. Wired security cameras are a better choice for those who want a long-term and reliable solution with better image quality. Professional installation can ensure that your cameras are installed correctly and customized to your needs.